It's a very, very auspicious Thursday. The evening after sunset, the calm atmosphere, the bhajan with lot of devotional fervor, remembrance of Paramatma in different names. Namo astvanantaya sahasramurtaye सहस्रपादाक्षिशिरोरु बाहवे सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः. Very beautiful stuti of Paramatma. Namo astu anantaya. The word namo is pranams. When you say namo means pranam. Astu anantaya. Paramatma is ananta. There is no end to Paramatma. Scientists thought that the nearest star 4.3 billion years away, billion light years, 4.3 billion light years away, that is the farthest star. Now they find that hundreds of billions of years, light years away, there are many more to be discovered, many more to be discovered. So the Brahmanda is Ananta. Brahmanda is Ananta. Namo astu anantaya sahasramurtaye. Whenever you go to some function or an occasion and you see thousands of people, thousands of all spread over everywhere, you should. Lot of people had come. Lot of people had come. And you see that lot of people, how much is 1 lakh? And how much is the population of the globe today? Just 730 crores, that's all. 730 crores of people are there on this Bhumandala. And Paramatma is Ananta. There is no end at all. Namo astu anantaya sahasramurtaye. Sahasramurti means 1,000, thousands of forms Paramatma has got. You always remember this. When we take atta, we make atta. Out of that atta, we mix it with water and a little amount of salt. If somebody wants a little oil, you mix with oil also, make atta. From that you can make chapati, you can make puri, you can make kachori, you can make any chips also you can make out of that. You can make sometimes biscuits also. Only one atta only. Same way Paramatma is one. Paramatma is one only. From the one Paramatma, hundreds of thousands of forms are coming out. Every different forms are coming out. So Sahasramurtaye, Sahasrapada. Coincidentally, there is one small insect. A small insect which goes like this is called a centipede and a millipede. You know the meaning of the word centipede? In Kannada and Tamil we say jeri. Jeri goes like this. Telugu, jeri. It's a small insect. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं पता नहीं उसको क्या बोलते हैं. सेंटीपीड मिलबेड ऐसे बहुत सारे पैर होते हैं उसके. हाँ कुछ आप जानते हैं. So it will be having thousands of legs. Millipede means 1,000 legs. Centipede means 100 legs. Centipede. Century is century. Century means 100 legs. Millipede means one meal in Italian language means 1,000. Mila means 1,000. So millipede means 1,000 legs. So Sahasrapada. All the legs, our legs are all Paramatma's legs. Sahasrapada. Akshi. Eyes. Akshi. Shiro. Uru. Bahave. Namo astu anantaya. Sahasramurtaye. Sahasrapada. Akshi. Shiro. Uru. Bahave. Sahasranamne. Sahasranamne. Thousands of names. All names are Paramatma's names only. Every name is Paramatma's name only. Purushaya, because he is residing here also. He is not only outside. He is Puri Shayanat Purusha. Puri Shayanat Purusha, because this is called the Puri. Navadvare Pure Dehi. Navadvare Pure Dehi. Paramatma is residing. He is called as Purusha. Shashvate. The word Shashvate means always there, eternal. He is never, there is no moment when Paramatma is not there. Paramatma does not have DOB, and DOD. No DOB. DOB date of birth. परमात्मा के लिए डेट ऑफ बर्थ नहीं, डेट ऑफ बर्थ एंड डेट ऑफ डेथ भी नहीं है, शाश्वते सहस्र कोटि युगधारिणे नमः. सहस्र कोटि युग, I told you one yuga is 43 lakhs and 20,000 years. One Chatur Yuga is 43 lakhs and 20,000 human years. We are in the 2020. 2020. When we do the Sankalpa, we say Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Parardhe Shvedavaraha Kalpe Vaivasvata Manvantare Ashtavimshatitame Kaliyuge Prathame Pade. This is the time. Kala. This is the Kala Parichaya. And then Desha Parichaya. Jambudvipe Bharatavarshe Bharatakhande. So Kala Desha. Kala and Desha. Both we utter when we do the Sankalpa. What is it? We are in the Prathama Pada, means first quarter. Prathama Pada means first quarter of Kali Yuga. One Kali Yuga is how much? 4,32,000 years. One Kali Yuga is 4,32,000 years. The first Pada means divided by 4. So 1,08,000 years the first Pada. Out of the 1,08 years we have completed now 5,022 years now. That is the Kali Yuga Adi. 5,022 years. And this Kali Yuga is 28th Kali Yuga. Means 71 Kali Yugas are there. 171 Chatur Yugas make one Manvantara. One Manu, he administers this world for 71 Chatur Yugas, 71 into 43 lakhs, 20,000 years. So you see the Anantatva of Paramatma. Paramatma is Ananta. There is no end at all to Paramatma. We are all, what are we? Paramatma is Ananta, we are Santa. Not Shanta. If we are Shanta, it was nice. But Shanti doesn't come. We are Santa. Santa means we have got an end. That which has got an end is called as Santa. Santa means which has got an end. Ananta, Santa. So we have an end. That's why we have DOB and DOD. Established, building established 1935, but nobody will talk about demolished one. You find on building the ESTD. But when you demolish, there is nothing to write there. Which stone will you write demolished? On which broken stone will you write demolished? You can't write. So this is the beauty of Paramatma. And to contemplate upon Paramatma is to become broad-minded. We open our mind, we open our heart, we sing His glory. So let us all become very, very broad-minded. Very broad-minded. And look after the world, look after ourselves, look after the world in a beautiful manner and make this terra firma. Make this terra firma, this beautiful earth, dharani, dharti, and then so many other names, ila. All this beautiful earth, a very, very beautiful place to stay. Hari Om.